Ciao, I'm Chiara from Filo e Segno and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to crochet this infinity scarf with a double treble stitch. This project is very quick to do and very easy too, so it's perfect for beginner. For this project I use one skein of Cake Lamè from Mondial and a 5.5mm hook. We will need to work a foundation chain with a multiple of 7, so now we are going to chain 35. Okay, now we do one double treble stitch in the 10th chain from hook. To make a double treble stitch, wrap the yarn over the hook 3 times. Now insert the hook into the stitch, yarn over, and now pull up the first 2 loops and repeat this 3 more times. And now we are going to do another 2 double treble stitches into the same chain. So remember, wrap the yarn over the hook 3 times. And now insert the hook into the same chain and pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through the first 2 loops and repeat this 3 more times. And now we do another 1 double treble stitch in the same chain. Okay, now chain 1, then we do another set of 3 double treble stitches in the same stitch. Okay, now we skip 6 chains. Then we do another set of 3 double treble stitch, chain 1, then we do another set of 3 double treble stitch in the same chain. Okay, now we skip 6 chains once again. Then we do another set of 3 double treble stitches, then chain 1, then 3 double treble more. So now continue this sequence until the end of this row. Now we skip the last 3 chains, then we do 1 double treble stitch in the last one. Okay, to begin row 2, chain 3. This counts as your first double crochet, and now we are going to work into each chain 1 space of the previous row. So we move directly into this space where we do a set of simple double crochet. So we do 3 double crochet, 2 and 3, then chain 1, then we do another set of 3 double crochets into the same stitch. So now we move directly into the second space here, where we do another set of simple double crochet. So we do 3 double crochets, chain 1, then we do another set of 3 double crochets in the same space. And continue to do this until the end of this row. And now we do 1 double crochet into the last stitch. So now we are going to repeat this set of 2 rows. So first we do a double treble row, so chain 6, this counts as your first double treble stitch. Then we move directly into chain 1 space, where we do another set of 3 double treble stitch, as we did in the first row. Chain 1, then we do 3 double treble stitches into the same space. So now we jump into the next chain 1 space, where we do another set of 3 double treble stitch, chain 1, then 3 double treble stitch again, and continue to do this until the end of this row. And now we do one double treble stitch in the third chain of the previous row. And now we are ready to repeat the double crochet row. So remember, first chain 3, this counts as your first double crochet. Then we move directly into the first chain 1 space, where we do a set of 3 double crochets, chain 1, then 3 double crochets once again. Then we move directly into the second chain 1 space here and continue to do this until the end of this row. And now we do one double crochet into the last stitch. And now we're going to repeat the double treble stitch row. So chain 6, then we do a set of 3 double treble stitches into the first chain 1 space. Then chain 1. Then we do another set of 3 double treble stitches. Okay, all we have to do now is to repeat this set of 2 rows until we reach the length about 160 centimeters or 63 inches. Okay, now my scarf is about 160 centimeters or about 63 inches. And before proceeding, I want to show you this beautiful wave effect. The double treble stitch and the double crochet will give this curled effect that it's very cute. So now we do a simple knot in this way. And now we are going to fold our work and sew the 2 ends together using a tapestry needle. I suggest to place some clips to keep the 2 ends together. And now let's show you the finished infinitive scarf. It's warm, soft and very quick to do. Of course, you can choose any yarn you prefer and you can choose a different length or width. Remember that this partner stitch is a multiple of 7. So I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. Let me know in the comments down below. Thank you for watching and I see you in the next video. Ciao and tanto love!